Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure n8n for no-code integration pipelines, full guide step by step clearly. Start by accessing the n8n platform. Visit the official n8n website to sign up for an account. Log into your newly created account to access the n8n dashboard. Once logged in, click on New Workflow to begin creating your integration pipeline. Familiarize yourself with the n8n interface, including the Nodes panel on the left. Search for the first app or service you wish to integrate. Drag and drop the corresponding node into the workflow area. Configure the node by clicking on it and filling in the required information. Set up authentication options if necessary, depending on the service. Use the Add Node button to include additional services as needed. Connect the nodes by clicking and dragging from one node's output to the next node's input. Ensure each node is properly configured to receive and send data. Test individual nodes by using the Execute Node button to verify their functionality. Utilize the Run Once feature to test the entire workflow in real time. Monitor the execution process for any errors or warnings. Adjust node configurations as necessary based on your testing results. Once satisfied with the workflow, click on Save to preserve your settings. To automate the workflow, configure the trigger node according to your desired schedule or event. Set any necessary parameters to ensure seamless operation across nodes. Click on Activate to enable the workflow so it runs automatically. Regularly check the execution logs for troubleshooting or optimization. Explore the n8n community forums for additional tips and advanced configurations. Continue refining your workflows to enhance integration between services. Experiment with different nodes to expand the capabilities of your automation pipelines. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.